What is up everyone, JFLORES here for the vlog, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a tuna melt sandwich. Let's go. Intro. Before we start, I just want to remind everyone that I do have an ongoing giveaway. The link will be down below, so please check that out. And this video is gonna be a part of my 5-minute series. I have a couple of uploads right now. Please check that one out too. In this tutorial, I'm gonna make a sandwich, which is a tuna sandwich, and of course we're gonna do it the traditional way, but a little tweak. We're gonna add the cooking method, which I've done sa grilled cheese natto before, a couple uploads back. Check that out. And we're gonna combine both of them. So without further ado, game. So here's what you need: tuna, mayo, lemon, onions, cheese, butter, and of course, your bread. Make sure to drain the tuna really well, okay? If not, magbasa na inyong spread later on. Now let's season this with some salt, pepper, paprika, and lemon, and we'll add in the shallots, and for the mayonnaise, we'll do it later. I forgot to mention that we'll add some sugar para mo-balance sa nitanan. Now we'll assemble the sandwich. Just spread the tuna spread to your bread and then cover up with cheese. So now it's time for cooking. So basically we're just trying to do a grilled cheese. Same rin as in the method. Don't forget to put some weights on top. Now we can remove the plate using a tong or gloves, and we are all done. Let's plate this up. So that is it for the vlog. I hope you had fun. I hope you will try that at home. Please feel free to do so. Especially karon, just stay at home. That's the best way you could do. It's just protecting yourself before anyone else. Salute to the frontliners. Going back sa recipe, it was really simple, right? But lami kay na siya instead of the boring tuna sandwich. How about, combine both grilled cheese and tuna sandwich and you'll get a tuna melt. Lala! So yeah, feel free to try it at home. That's it. God bless. Peace.